Hey crafters, welcome back to our channel. Here comes another interesting DIY idea for plant lovers. This time, a fabric painted bag preparation with some simple plant doodles and free hand brush lettering. Before we proceed, please click on subscribe button to get notified for our upcoming videos. For this DIY, I am using a simple bag that you may get at grocery stores, a newspaper, and fabric paints. Make sure to place some plastic sheet or newspaper inside the bag so that the two sides do not stick together if the paint seeps out of the fabric. I painted three planters. First, I had quickly drawn an outline to place and make the planter section. Then I started making finishing touches to bring them to life. They look so cute. You can draw plants of your choice. You can create different leaves, climbers, wreaths, flowers if you do not want to paint planters. If you know the names of the plants that I am painting, drop them in the comment section below. Let us see how many of us are able to recognize these plants. As the plants do not have a specific shape or color, so you can use various shades of greens to make leaves. The plants which you want to create, you can give various effects using white and yellow color, brown color. This will make them look natural. Not just this bag painting idea, you can also visit other videos which are available on our channel. The link is provided in description box and on I icon. This was so calming and soothing, and I really enjoyed making this one. These are a very few common plants which I have painted. I want you to provide in comment section the names of these plants that I have painted. Now my daughter also wanted to give her contribution and make this a masterpiece, so we went for fingerprinting technique to design this center planter. You can draw any design or pattern for painting the planters. After this, I chose a phrase and with free hand I started writing the words. How beautiful they look, the color, the style. Overall, this created magic, and see how this dull bag turned into a beautiful, bright, and colorful bag. This was inspired by a Pinterest post, and I'm sure you would love it too. Give this DIY a try and have fun. If you enjoyed watching this idea, please click the like button, comment your feedback and suggestions so that we can rejoice and improve. If you have any suggestions or requests, feel free to drop them in comment section. We will be happy to work on them. Stay tuned for more craft ideas and keep crafting with AJ.